good morning from China. Today, my manager, Mr.Bian and I were going to test in limited series. As you can see in front of me, it's a hedge trimmer, multi-tools, and bridge cutters. So we are going to test the bridge cutter hedge trimmer with 60-volt 4 amp battery. So I got a lot of feedbacks about and messages. A lot of friends looking forward to watch our limited series. So today we are going to short video and show you the toys. Let's get started. Okay, Miss Bian, this is our manager, Miss Bian. We are going to test the first bridge cutter with our 3T blender. So Miss Bian, let's get started. And yes, install the battery with the bridge cutter. So take the bridge cutter and wear helmet. Okay. Testing. Okay, nice. Cross the small river. Great. Hello. Okay, Miss Bian. We are going to ready. Oh, we are ready. Okay. Let's install the battery with bridge cutter, and then open the switch of bridge cutter and get started. So let's look at this. You can adjust different level. So this is a quickly level, very intermediate level, and a slow level. Okay, then the bridge cutter with hedge trimmer, with trimmer hand. Sorry, with trimmer hand. Very powerful machine. Okay. Hello. Okay, so we have finished the bridge cutter. So we are going to test the multi-tools bridge cutter. So yes, you can see the pruner, trimmer, and the extreme pull. So our manager, Miss Bian, will continue to test and show you the machine. Okay, connect the pruner, and now we are going to cut the wood of the tree. Testing before using. Okay, finished. Okay, let's get started. Very quickly counting. Okay. Would you like to get using this one is trapper? This, yes, is trapper. Extra shaft. Yeah, to get a better and convenient counting. Okay, so finished. He wears helmet. Go. Okay, our energy Mr.Bian, we're going to test the trimmer. Okay, let's go. Yes. He wears helmet. Bian, this is higher. 这高一点的地方。Very quickly and strong power. You can see, cutting the wood very easy. 割个粗一点的，割个粗一点的。Yeah. Quickly, let's go. Okay, we are going to test the hedge trimmer. Okay, Mr.Bian, let's install the machine and start it. Okay,